Now, essentially, let's ask you this. Will a change in Lok Sabha also see a change in Karnataka? Well, we don't know, but Deputy Chief Minister of the state, D.K. Shivkumar, might have the answer. Now, while campaigning for his brother, D.K. Suresh, who is a Congress candidate from Bangalore Rural, D.K. Shivkumar instead ended up campaigning for himself. He said, and I quote, "Vote for my candidate for me to become Chief Minister." Let's take a look.
ನನ್ನ ಮಕ್ಕ ನೋಡಿ ಯಾವ್ದಾದ್ರು ಊರವನಿಗೆ ನೀವು ಯಾರ್ಯಾರಿಗೆ ಅಧಿಕಾರ ಕೊಟ್ರೆ ನಿಮ್ಮನ್ನ ಮಗನ್ ಕೊಡಿ ನೀವೇನು ಭಾವನೆ ಇಟ್ಕೊಂಡು ನನ್ನ ಅಭ್ಯರ್ಥಿನ ನೀವು ಗೆಲ್ಸಿದ್ರೆ ನಾನು ಒಂದು ಮುಖ್ಯಮಂತ್ರಿ ಆಗ್ತೀನಿ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿ ನನ್ನ ಮೇಲೆ ನಂಬಿಕೆ ಇಟ್ರಿ ಆ ನಂಬಿಕೆ ಮೋಸ ಆಗುದಿಲ್ಲ ಆ ಮೋಸ ಆಗ್ತಿಲ್ಲ ನಿಮ್ ಸೇವೆ ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ ಈ ಸೇವೆ ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ ನಾನು ನಿಮ್ಮ ಮಗ
Deepak, my colleague, joins me for more. Deepak, good morning. Clearly, we did hear what D.K. Shivkumar had to state over there. How are you reading into this?
Right now, this particular statement that has come in from Mr. D.K. Shivkumar, the Deputy Chief Minister, shows or is an indicator about how difficult the fight is getting in the Bengaluru rural constituency. We've seen similar statements, of course, come in from, the Deputy Chief Minister or even his supporters during the assembly elections. Now, there are two aspects to look into here. One is, of course, that, he is using his image there, his leadership as a Vakaliga, his base of Kanakpura and the Bengaluru rural segment, urging the voters to support not just him, his candidate, and he says in turn it will help the cause of him becoming the Chief Minister eventually. So of course it is giving that impetus to the voters to come out in big numbers and support him and also his brother and his other candidates. Now, while of course this is also being said, the other aspect to also look into is of course the prestige battle between D.K. Shivkumar and Mr. Siddaramaiah. On one hand, Mr. Siddaramaiah has been repeatedly campaigning aggressively in Mysuru and Chamarajanagar and the old Mysuru region. Because he feels that is his bastion and he has to prove to himself, the high command and to the leaders in the state that he holds still a very strong command over that region. And the same, of course, is being led by Mr. D.K. Shivkumar in around Kanakpura and several constituencies around Bengaluru as well. Whether this sort of internal issue and the race for the Chief Minister's post is also going to cause any internal dissidence in the Congress, that also time will tell.
Absolutely, Deepak. Thank you very much for joining us. With essentially, one should be looking at this political situation, but for the moment, we're going to have to leave it at that. Let's shift our